In this video, I am going to show you whether you can get the Brawl Stars dev build. First, it's important to note that the developer build of Brawl Stars is not publicly available. Supercell, the developer of Brawl Stars, typically restricts access to their internal builds for testing purposes, and these versions are used exclusively by their developers and selected testers. However, if you're interested in experiencing new features or upcoming content, you can participate in Brawl Stars events and community tests that Supercell occasionally organizes. Keep an eye on their official social media channels, forums, and the game itself for announcements regarding beta testing opportunities. Additionally, joining the Brawl Stars community on platforms like Discord or Reddit can provide insights and updates from other players who may share information about new features and upcoming content. If you want to enhance your gameplay experience, focus on mastering the current game mechanics, participating in events, and staying updated with official announcements. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.